Hi, my name is Madison Heinecke. I am a non-destructive inspection student here, and I am a finalist for Student of the Year.
Hi, I am Krista Hernandez, and I am a finalist for Student of the Year.
Hey, I'm Jake Mathis. I'm here in the Culinary Arts program, and I'm here to be Student of the Year.
Hi, my name is Faith Nemah. I am a graduate of the Medical Assisting Program, and I'm a finalist of the Student of the Year.
Hi, I'm EmmaLee Woodland. I'm a student enrolled in the Web and Graphic Design program at the Ogden-Weber Technical College, and I'm a finalist for Student of the Year.
And the Ogden-Weber Technical College 2020 Student of the Year is Madison Heinecke.
First of all, a huge thank you to everybody I've come across and everybody that I've had the opportunity to meet. Something that has really stuck out to me is from the moment I walked into the school, somebody looked at me. Every single interaction that I have with a person, they noticed me, they recognized me, they took time to understand my situation and where I came from and really wanted to help. And I just, to be here and to have this opportunity to guide other people who might not know that there are options out there to this school and to help them better their future is incredible. And I'm so excited. All of you guys, everyone that we have the opportunity to meet, you guys are all incredible, and I think that we can all agree that the school is changing lives, that we do it for us. So just one last thank you to everyone, my family, and Kurt, my instructors, and Kirsten, and all of you guys. Thank you so much.
So we want to make sure we take just a minute to recognize these great students, but more in addition to recognize these wonderful instructors that take so much time with these students and do what they do every day in the classroom. So congratulations here. Finalists can come up front. We want to make sure that we recognize you up here on the stage. We can get a picture with all the finalists. So all the finalists, if you can come up.